morning. It must be Thursday. I must be Bradley Charbonneau. This must be Thursday Thunder. I'm out here creating content. It's like 7 something on some random Thursday. I'm like the only one out here except the random dog and jogger and cyclist who occasionally goes by as my audience. Hi, how you doing? I'm here every Thursday. Come on by. Same place, same time, kinda. I'm out here creating content. That's what I do. This is for me how I create more content, how I create better content is by creating content in the first place. I'm out here, I'm recording. I come out here, I hit the camera, I hit record. That is for me my mojo. That is the source of my creativity is by doing it. Because for me, by exponential factors, I start out with something small, I hit record, and it's going to grow. And it's going to grow in different ways, like a tree. And here's a branch, and that here might be boring. Here's a branch. Whoa, that one's exciting. Let's expand on that one. Let's go further down that path, up that twig, and see what's going to blossom at that end. That's creating content. Yet the difference between creating content that you don't know where it's going to go and then creating catchy content is the difference between coming out here and just hitting record and I don't know where I'm going or who I'm doing it for, and coming out here with a purpose, with a strategy, with a goal in mind to create catchy content. Content that's going to stick, content that's going to get under the skin of your clients or customers or potential clients and customers so that they have an idea. You know what's going on. You know what they are looking for. You know what they are thinking because you know them. You know your content, you know your clients, you know your customers because you've asked them. And that is one of the hard parts. Yet, wow, could there be, like a hands-on workshop where you could find out, what do my clients want? What is catchy for them? What works for them? What is some content that's going to bring them in, that's going to have them take that extra step by buy the product or hire me for service or buy the book or have the like or have the whatever it is that you want them to do. How do you get from just creating content to creating catchy content? This is where my friend Nicoline Houssinger is coming in to rescue us. Because I'm out here creating content. I have no issue with that. In fact, I will happily help you, and I will in Nicoline's workshop with creating content, how to get over the fear of creating, over the fear of hitting that record button and sending it out to the world. I have no more issue with that, but believe me, I used to. This would scare me to death to be out here and to be recording this and sending it out to the world. That used to be a big deal for me, and I'm over it. So now I have an audience back there, by the way. Those are my fans. My 7 a.m. Thursday fans. Like, hey, there's that guy recording out there in the middle of nowhere again. What is he doing? See, I have no longer an issue with that. In fact, if they came up here, I could interview them. That's sort of where I am. This is my comfort zone. This is where I create. Yet, how do we get to the difference between just creating content and creating that catchy content? And this is where Nicoline is coming in with a workshop, not a course, not a book, not a lesson, not a one-way street monologue where she's just going to tell you all kinds of stuff. It's going to be a hands-on dialogue, discussion, collaboration workshop where she and you and a small group of people are going to actually create content. You're going to have homework, you're going to have stuff to do, you're going to have deadlines and things to get done, and you're going to have collaboration, and you're going to be able to work together with others and critique, if you like, can be sort of semi-anonymous, but it's a safe group. It's a place where you don't have to fear somebody clamping down on you or saying, that's terrible. Or at least if they say, that's terrible, what's terrible about it and how can it be better? I mean, that's terrible is not the greatest critique, but what's lacking and how can we make it better? And let's work on it and let's make it better. So over the course of 4 weeks, she's going to help you create 4 pieces of content. And she's going to go through 4 modules of how to create that catchy content, how to get under the skin of your clients, how to actually create the stuff, what kind of copywriting techniques, what's the psychology behind the wording to make it work. And then finally, how to actually create the design to lay it out and get it done so that you have something to show. You're going to have, after 4 weeks, 4 pieces of content that you can share with your clients, that you can put up on social media, use on your website, use in your marketing material, actual things that you can help grow your business, broaden your reach to your clients, and have forever and ever to cherish and love and frame and put in your living room. But because this is an active workshop, this is going to require some action on your part. It's not just sit back and on the couch and watch Nicoline, go on about how this is all going to work. No, this is an interactive workshop. There's going to be stuff you have to do. This is where this may come out of your comfort zone, but guess what? That's where the good stuff arrives, right? Out of your comfort zone. I used to not be in my comfort zone. Being here, recording a video, that's just like, no, I'm not going to do that. I need better lighting. It needs to be perfect. How's my sound? Let's do another 14 takes and make sure it's all good. No, I'm out here. I hit record. Dogs walking by. I have had the occasional dog walk right in front of the camera. Hey, that's all good. It's all just part of the creation process. Because for me, I'm out here. I create. It creates on top of each other. That's one thing I can help you with, is actually getting over the fear of creating, getting unstuck, and turn you into a creation machine. And Nicoline is going to make it strategic so that it gets under your client's skin. That sounds so bad. I mean, it's like under the skin. It sounds like a leech or something. That's not a good sense. It's the good sense of that, where your client just wants, like, I want more of that. Sign me up. Wow, that was good. Do you have any more of that? That kind of stuff. That's what Nicoline is going to do in a matter of a few short weeks. This has been Thursday Thunder. It's Thursday. I'm out here every week. In case you're not familiar with Thursday Thunder, in the year 2020, I am out here every Thursday hitting record, creating. I am making a video. I'm trying to improve I'm not trying. I am improving my public speaking every single week, and I'm doing it by acting, doing it by action. I'm here every week. Come join me. If you'd like to know more about Nicoline's course, it's at ccc.repossible.com. Now, speaking of on-the-fly, improv-type creation, she doesn't know I'm doing this. It's Thursday morning. I talked with her yesterday. We talked about this. I didn't tell her I was going to do this. In fact, I didn't even know I was going to do this until this morning during my meditation, when I got sort of a download saying I should do something like this. I need to go out there, create. Again, this is the monologue, but we're going to create a dialogue. And I'm going to send you to a website that doesn't exist yet. But you can go to ccc.repossible.com, learn more about Nicoline's workshop, and let's get on this and let's create some catchy content. I'm here every week. I'm Bradley Charbonneau. This is Thursday Thunder. You are a creator. You were born that way. We just hide it and bury it and run away from it. Let's get that creator in you out. I've got it out. I'm on full display here for all of my fans. I hear birds. I think that was an applause over there. I don't need applause. I just need to create. That's who I am. Thanks for being here. I'll see you next week.